What's up, guys? So today we're going to go over some combinations on how to pass the knee shield. Okay, so let's get right into it. We're going to start right here. Cody's going to go down, and most of the time this happens when you start going through for a knee slide pass. The person puts the shield in, and a lot of times people get stuck right here. Okay, it's one of the situations that I think is super important to understand how to stop and how to pass. Okay, you don't want to get stuck here and try to move the leg, because the person's leg is going to be a lot stronger than your arm. Okay, so Cody is going to frame me right here, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a grip on his lapel. Okay, now what I want, my right hand first, I'm going to grab his belt or his hip just so that he can't shrimp out. Because when somebody puts in a knee shield and this hook right here, what I want to do is I want to crowd his leg to make him feel like he's stuck. So when I do that, I grab right on his collar, I grab right on his belt, and I'm going to drop my chest heavy right on top of his leg. Okay? Now this leg right here as well, my left one is always going to be posted out, just in case he does shrimp, I can follow him. Okay? So now my head is going to drop to the shoulder right here. If he has the collar choke, or I'm sorry, the collar, just be careful you don't put your head down. He's going to try and attack the loop choke. Okay, so this right here, my head goes right in the shoulder. My hand now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift my hips by using my toes right here. Just my hips come up, but my head and my chest stay down. So as I pick my hips up, my right hand is going to weave inside, and I'm going to grab right on his knee right here, on the bottom leg. Okay, this is gonna, first thing it's gonna do is stop him from being able to pull his leg out and recompose. So I'm gonna stay here, my shoulder is gonna pin right down on Cody's thigh, my head is gonna go right to his shoulder, and now I'm gonna tripod. Okay, so what I wanna do when I'm starting to do my pass now, I don't wanna push forwards, I wanna go towards the grain of wood. So his legs are going this way. That's the way that I want to go, okay? So as I go here, I'm going to lift my hips and I slide my knee like a windshield wiper like this over top of his shin, and I weave and immediately tripod. So now that I'm on the outside of his legs, I have to make sure that I stay in the tripod position, because my goal is to keep his legs pancaked and flat to the floor. If I go up like this, he's going to be able to open his knee to the sky, and now I have this knee shield stronger for him in the way. He's going to be able to recompose. Okay? So when I'm like this, I tripod, I drop it heavy, and I stay right here for a second. Okay? So now everything is going to be done with my feet. I keep my head in a good position. I'm pulling him to me and myself to him at the same time, like a strong grip right here. Okay? So now I'm going to walk forwards all the way up as I push his leg back, and I'm going to use my butt now to remove his legs. I'm going to walk back to his hip all the way like this. And as soon as I get here, my right knee is going to pin right to Cody's hip. I have my post out, and now I have good control for the pass. So to finish the pass, what I'm going to do, I'm going to now let go of the pants. Now that his legs are behind me, I circle my arm and I catch his hip. So now right here, my right elbow is close to his hip. It's hard for Cody to shrimp, and now I can start securing the pass. So first now, my left hand, I've got side control. I weave my hand on the inside, and I swim his neck. If I need to, I can always use my arm, my knee, and start crowding his arm, swim inside. I grab inside the armpit and pull him to me. Or if I can, I just weave my arm, swim inside, and as soon as I get to this position, I pull him to me, and now I can square up with my knee underneath Cody's ear. So again, change the angle. Let's go right over here. Perfect. So I go for the knee through, he frames, and defends. I grab right on the collar, I keep the position, hips come up, I grab the bottom knee, I weave my leg to the outside, tripod, and I stay on my toes. Nice straight back, like a spike downwards, not round and up high. I want to be like a spike with my back straight, and I'm controlling here. Now, I keep these grips, I never let go. The whole time you pass, keep the grips, because you're going to be following him and you're gonna need to keep the pressure. If you let go, he has a chance to recompose. So I stay here, walk, slide, finish the pass. So again, other side, change the angle. I enter, knee shield, I block. Alright guys, thank you for tuning back in. Don't forget, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.